In exercise 2E, we're looking at what happens when there are variables on both sides of an equation. So I'll refer back to the scales again. On this side, we've got 5 unknown weights. They are all the same size. There are 5 of them. And we also have 2 kilos. On this side, we have 3 of the unknown weights, which are also the same size. And we actually have -8 kilograms, which of course makes it a little bit difficult in real life to understand. But in terms of an equation solving technique, we'll just leave it like that. So what we could do is start by taking 3 of our unknown weights out of each side. So if we take 3 x's out of that side, all of those ones will be gone. And if we take 3 x's out of this side, we'd be left with 2 x's in that side. So we would get 2x plus 2 equals -8. Now we're back to just a normal equation like before. So remember, we minus 2 off each side. We get 2x equals -10. Divide each side by 2. Now this shows a little bit where real life scales break down, because each of our weights weighs -5 kilograms. But that's how equation solving works, because in real life you do have negative values coming up. Maybe not for weights, of course, though. Okay, so let's have a go at these examples. So in the first one, we have 7 of our unknowns on this side and 6 of them on that side. So let's just take 6 out of each side. We'll take the smaller one out of each side. So -6x there, -6x there. 7x minus 6x just leaves us with 1x. The +4 is still there. And on this side, 6x minus 6x is 0. We're left with the 1. And then we just have to minus 4 out of each side. So x equals -3. Okay, let's look at number 2. Now on this one, because this is bigger than this one, it's actually easier if we turn our equation around and we just rewrite it. 8x minus 2 on this side and the 5x plus 4 on that side. It's always easier when you have the smaller amount on this side. So let's take 5x out of each side. So 8x minus 5x is 3x. Our minus 2 is still there. 5x minus 5x is gone. We've still got a 4. Add 2 to each side. So 3x equals 6. Divide by 3. So our x is equal to 2. Okay, let's look at number 3. We've got brackets again. Let's start by expanding the brackets. So we get 3 times x is 3x. 3 times a positive 2 is +6. We've still got a plus x there. Now what we do here is we collect up our like terms. Our 3x plus x becomes 4x. We've still got +6 equals 0. Minus the 6 off each side. So we've got 4x here, and we've got 0 minus 6, which is -6. Divide by the 4. So x is equal to, now it's -6 on 4. We can simplify that down if we halve each number. So divide 2, -3 over 2. You can write that as -1.5 or leave it as -3 over 2. This one is quite similar, just a bit longer. Expand the brackets. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times -3 is -15. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times +1 is -3. Be very careful on those minuses. Collect up our like terms. We've got a 5x minus 3x, which is 2x. And then we've got a -15 and a -3, which is -18, still equal to 2. Add the 18. So 2x equals 20. Divide by the 2. X equals 10. Okay, 2 more. 7 times x, 7 times 8. So 7 times x is 7x, 7 eighths are 56. 2x minus 5. Okay, minus the 2x off each side. So 7x minus 2x is 5x. The 56 is still there. That's gone. Negative 5. Minus 56 out of each side. So 5x, that's gone. Negative 5 minus 56 is negative 61. Divide by the 5. So x equals, now you can leave that as 61 on 5, that's fine. If you want to, 5 goes into 61 12 times with 1 on 5 remainder. Okay, just one more. So this time we've got 2 lots of brackets, we need to expand them both. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times minus 3 is minus 6, 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times minus x is minus 8x. Now this time we've got a negative 8x. If we add 8x to each side, that will get rid of it from that side. So we've got 10x minus 6 equals 40. Add the 6 like before. 10x equals 46. Divide by the 10. So x equals, now you could write that as, you could simplify it if you wanted to 23 on 5. I'm just going to write it as a decimal. 46 divided by 10 is 4.6. And there are the questions to do from the exercise.